James, are you in timeout? James, are you in the timeout? For being naughty? No, don't try and get the toy. The toy's gone. No toys in timeout. Look at Mummy. Are you in jail? James. Your brother come to visit you in prison? You're having too much of a good time in jail, James. This is supposed to be punishment. Okay, do you want to come out, James? Do you want to get out of jail? Hey? Come. You want to stay in there? Forever? Okay. You want to stay there forever? Okay. Come. Let's get out. Your timeout's over. Come. You ready? Are you ready to get out? Why are you laughing at your brother being punished? That's not very nice. Alright, are you ready? Let's go upstairs. Come. Cameron, no! No! No, no, no. Stop it.